Ukufunda Youth Development forms part of the network of vocational training centres of Schneider Electric South Africa, known as the French Southern African Schneider Electric Education Centre, or FSASEC.
One day I was walking on the beach and saw young youth sitting with nothing to do. It touched my heart and I started this training centre with one contractor and a motto. Today we offer a comprehensive electrical apprenticeship program up to the level of trade test. The focus is on new technologies in automation and renewable energy, with 55% of our students being female. Schneider Electric equipment was a major factor to empower 4 of our students who received employment recently in the Netherlands.
Since Meryl Lee Tetu was a little girl, she was interested in technology. Ukufunda Youth Development provided her real-world experiences on Schneider Electric equipment, and she now works at a world-leading company in the Netherlands.
Ukufunda is close to our hearts. From the start, Craig's passion for youth empowerment was evident. We embarked on the most wonderful journey with Ukufunda to provide access to education and the economy for underprivileged youth.
This training opportunity is the first of its kind here in Chatsworth, especially focuses on gender equality. It provides us with a high level of practical training and experience on Schneider Electric equipment.
Situated in Chatsworth, Durban, the centre provides a high standard of practical training on cutting-edge Schneider Electric equipment for future electrical artisans, with a particular focus on gender equality.
We are not rich in money, but we are rich in education.